مجمع الأندلس التعليمي، تعلم عصري ملهم بهوية وطنية وقيم إسلامية.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Mr. Mohamed again with you, and today's lesson is writing. We are going to do two things. One, we are going to rearrange the semi-formal email parts into a complete email. We have scrambled parts, and we are going to arrange them so we finally have a complete email. Next, we are going to write a semi-formal email asking about personal information needed to choose a flatmate. So let's begin. First of all, let's check out some of these words.
Flat.
Yeah, this is, I think we took this word previously, flat, and this is a pluck of flats.
Flat.
Next, we all know what this means.
Location. Location. Public transport. Public transport.
Yes, public transport. Public transport is the means of transport where people use, or which people use to travel to other places, like going to work, going to school, going to university.
Furnished.
Yeah, we took this word previously. It's furnished. Furnished means that this place, or this apartment, or this house is full of furniture, like the sofa, the coffee table, the table lamp, shelves, table, anything else.
Flatmate.
Flatmate. These are not brothers. They are not also cousins. What are they exactly? They are flatmates. Yes, a flatmate is a person who lives with you inside the same flat. It does not necessarily mean that he is your brother or your relative. Maybe he is your colleague in the university or the colleague in your workplace. Okay, let's go back to our lesson. Now let's see how good your memory is. Start game. Okay, begin with the easiest one. What do you think? Yeah, location, public transport, flatmate, furnished, and flat. Yes. Let's go back to our lesson and let's go to the first activity. As you can see here, we have the first part here. This is the second one, the third, the fourth, the fifth, and the sixth one. As you can see, they are all scrambled and they need to be rearranged again. So you can get a semi-formal email. So what do you think is the first thing to do? Or what do you think is the first part? Yeah, I think it's Dear Tim. Yes, that is correct. Dear Tim. And let me ask you one question. Which one is the last one? Which part is the last part? Yeah, it's kind regards, Oliver Harrison. This one is the last one. So compliments. So we begin with a compliment and we end with another compliment. Okay. Which one is next? Yeah, I saw your advertisement looking for a flatmate and I'm interested in finding out a bit more. My name is Oliver Harrison and I am 20 years old. Here where you introduce yourself. Next. Yeah. Oliver continues introducing himself. I am a student at Richwell University and I'm looking for a place to live near university. I would like to ask you a few questions about the place. Now Oliver is beginning to ask some questions. So what do you think is next? Yes. First of all, what type of accommodation is it? A house or a flat? Also, how many rooms are there, and is the house or the flat furnished? And finally, this is the last part. If it is furnished, is it fully furnished, or should I bring some of my own furniture? Finally, what's the exact location of the house or the flat? Is there any public transport nearby? I'm looking forward to hearing from you. And the final shape of this would be like this. Okay? Now, let's move on to the next one. Imagine that you are looking for a place to live. Write an email to someone who is looking for a flatmate, requesting information about the house or the flat using the ideas from the speaking activities section on page. Now let's write. So please use the information in the slide above to help you writing a semi-formal email. Begin. Okay, now let's play a game. Is it okay to use dear Jasim in an informal or a semi-formal? Yes, we are. I saw your ad. Is it right to use that? No. Now that you saw what is right and what is wrong, thank you so much for listening, and see you next time.